We got an F1 exhaust system for this thing. This is an Aeroflow Dynamic full titanium 2023 R8 system. So it's the Audi R8. It's got the V10 monster engine, same car as the Lamborghini Huracan, just with an Audi badge. I don't know if you guys remember, but we did a Rift exhaust, very similar system. Obviously the Rift is a little bit more high end, but this one's pretty damn clean as well. Airflow Dynamics, pretty sweet setup, full titanium, so it's very lightweight, pretty sick. All right, so full titanium system. Like I said, complete pie cuts, Airflow Dynamics. You guys can see the R8 right there. This thing's gonna sound sick. The stock factory muffler on this car is complete garbage. It's a huge suitcase, fills out that whole back bumper area. So we're just gonna remove that, install this system for the customer, and he should be ecstatic, guys. We got the 2023 Audi R8 on the lift. As you can see, it's got the facelift tips, got the oval RS style tips on there. The system does not come with new tips, it just comes with new pipes coming inside. So those little elbows I showed you earlier will fit right there in the inside of this tip. And then once we take out the bumper, bottom covers, rear wheels, and then we get the back bumper exposed, we gotta take out the tail lights. That grill right there has to come off, it's part of the bumper. Once we get that exposed, then you'll see the actual exhaust. Like I said, the exhaust is huge. It's literally this big, looks like a Corvette muffler, like a C8. So, like I said, the guys are just taking everything apart. You gotta start with taking off all the covers, and then you look at all the support bolts, what's holding the bumper in place. So once we take off the wheels, you'll see some side bolts on the inside of the wheel well. We take the wheel wells off, and we'll get to the support bumper bolts. And once we get that down, then the bumper will be exposed, and you guys can see what it looks like. So stay tuned, guys, it's gonna be sick. So we got the titanium system test fitted. We finally got it to mock up. The system wasn't the highest quality setup, but we got it to fit. So that's what we do at G Exhaust. As you can see, the bumper is going back on. We're putting all the heat shields back on. We're gonna crank it, test for leaks, and full titanium. So this thing should sound insane. It should sound like an F1 car. It's F1 exhaust by Aerospeed Engineering, and you know, not my favorite system in the world. We did that Rift system on the other R8. That one was a jewel of a system. This one, not so much. Replica of that, but should sound about the same. So plugged in the valves are all zip line, vacuum lines. Did come with a box. We decided to bypass the box so the customer has the switch inside the car. Otherwise you would have to wire it, you know, mount a box in there, and then you have your own remote, which is kind of stupid. Nobody really wants that. So yeah, bumper went back on, everything fit like a glove, and just putting all the heat shields back on. So R8 problems, you know. This one's definitely faster than the last one we did. Fucking sick. So the R8 is pretty sweet. Got the titanium F1 exhaust on there. Sounds pretty damn good. Let's hear the interior cabin noise. Yeah, that looks super chill. Just stupid ass rev limiter. Stops at like 3,500, which is kind of annoying. But good thing when we're driving, you can hear everything. So I'm gonna turn it around and hit it. Exhaust is installed. Sounds pretty damn good. Customer should be ecstatic. This thing, pretty sweet ride. I like the Audi R8s. I think I like it more than a Huracan. I think you get a little bit more classiness of a car. You know, I'm not a huge fan of this. I don't know what's going on here. They forgot the infotainment system. But, whatever. You can't get everything with supercars sometimes. that was it. That was a 2023 Audi R8 with the F1 style exhaust, full titanium, sound sick. Customer was ecstatic. We also sell some systems like that, so if you're interested, you got an R8, a Huracan, something similar, reach out to us. We got pretty much everything from $1,000 options to $10,000 options. So reach out, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and G Exhaust out. We doing these all day, baby.